welcome to this live with Ivan Biddle on Ivan FX. Hope you're having a fantastic evening. I am still Ivan Biddle. Been training for 8 years, struggling myself through this journey. So I will try to come up with whatever the market is going to do next, and analyze the market, see what we can do on dollar, yen, gold, silver, oil, palladium, whatever you want me to do. I will be happy to do so. The live, I don't know if it's going to be short or long. I will answer some of the questions as fast as I can, but I will mostly focus on dollar in the beginning, and then we shall see. Then you can, of course, request which pair you want me to cover. I will try to help you as much as I can, and then there we go. As mentioned, welcome every single one of you. I'm just trying to put the music at the right levels. That's okay. So, I have actually been without power today, so this is the first time I look at the charts. I think I will go fast through them. I think, first of all, thank you everyone who was at the live yesterday with Powell and all these shenanigans. That was fun. 116 people at max I saw in the end. Had a good time. I hope you had a good time too. So I will try to have fun today too. If I am fast when I speak right now, I'm sorry. I will try to come up with some jokes as we go. But yeah, like that intro. Oh yeah. So I'm here because 10 people in my Discord channel wanted me to come. So if you want to join my Discord channel, there is a link in the description below. It's all for free. Don't worry. I'm not going to charge you anything. I'm not going to sell you anything. I'm just going to say, hey, there it is. So, dollar index. I said yesterday that's going to create dollar weakness. We went out for a higher high, then went for a lower low. Now, where is your actual sell? Your actual sell is actually not yet, by the way, if you're wondering. Yes, you can sell here, you can sell here, you can sell here. Yes, you can all do all those things, yes. That is all well, fine, okay, cool. But this is actually the lower low. That's the break. So this is the moment. This is the moment. So what I would do on the dollar pairs, generally speaking, right now, is to look for support on dollar pairs, resistance on dollar for tomorrow. So I would then go into daily pivots, and I would look for sells at around maybe do the other ones maybe. Daily bearish, cool. I would go into daily pivots, and I will look to sells on dollar. Not with trading dollar, but at least I would look to sells on central pivot. If I will get it, I don't know. I will see what price is at London Open. So if London Open is kind of like here, like it's just at the low, I will not take it. But if it's at some kind of resistance I will take it. Oh yeah. Hello Rabbi, hello Adu, hello Simon, hello Gift Mukwena, and Taylor. How can I help you? This is the first time you're here live. How can I help you? I like new people. Not that your old guys are there forever, but I want, impress the girls. That's always fun. But yeah. So what are you interested in? Is it forex? Is it the stock market? Is it indices? Is it bonds? Is it commodities? Here we like this is like a dating site right now, right? Like, what do you like? How do you like it? Do you want it to be soft, be firm? And this is what they call Pepsi Max. I call them Pepsi Max in Norway. In Kenya, it's called Pepsi Diet, and it's apparently 20% extra because apparently they don't sell enough. Cola is the one that goes here. So coming into, just need to check my notifications. That's always fun too. So everyone is at 10% on my phone. James, cool. So nothing else. Nobody is screaming at me at the moment. Euro dollar. Kind of a higher high at the moment. Kind of a higher high. That was definitely a buy. But that's actually sells, by the way. So look for buys. Bullish. By the way, the video is coming tomorrow. Don't worry, JJ. It is coming tomorrow. I was about to post it yesterday, but I'm not happy with it. So I still need to add some more, and so boom, some side effects and some, you know, some splashes and some nice things so we can. So what can happen tomorrow is that we can, one, go down to 1727. That would be great. Or we just go higher high. If we just go higher high as plan A, and this is plan B, then we need to look for buys on Monday, I think it will become done. So it all depends on how strong the market starts. We will do gold, do not worry. So, right now it's about to break higher, and then I can just take away that. What do I want to see? At any given time, I am double bottom, higher high, higher low, boom. Are you a seller? You should have sold here and probably should be break even. If you're a seller, again, I think the next one is around 1800. So we have a good run if you are a buyer to up to 1800 before we find resistance, right? So yeah, I think that's great. Just for tomorrow, I think I'm gonna be live. I hope I will be live. May the Forex gods help me with power at around London Open, no, New York Open. So I will be around 7 hours, or no, is it 7? 5, 6 hours earlier than right now. 6, wait. So right now it's almost 9. In 15 minutes it's almost 9. So then it is, I can't even do that. 6 hours earlier than now, right now. I will be live tomorrow. So, or just hit the notification bell and the subscribe shenanigans. Then you will be notified. Or just be in my Discord channel. I will tell you there too. NAS 100. We can do that too. And then we will do gold after euro. Target on euro 1800 for the first. How do you tell whether it's risk on or risk off? Whether the market is whether it is the market reaction or the news. Okay, so there's a couple of explanations here. Risk on, risk off. Risk on, risk off is mostly being described as the perceived risk in an asset, and therefore that changes the behavior of if it's going to be buyer or taking profit off that specific asset. There is many risk factors or factors you can look into, and I'm gonna look and can do that one. There's many indicators of risk on, risk off. New Zealand yen in the forex market, gold, bond market, stock market, Nasdaq, Dow, oil. I'm not going to say M anymore. I'll just keep shut. Okay. I can't. I just hate myself when I say all the time. So yeah. So this is kind of a thing where you want to look into this one. So risk on is euro dollar up, pound dollar up, pound yen up, New Zealand dollar up, USD CAD down, Australian dollar up. That is risk on. Risk off is everything is falling on this that I just mentioned. Okay, cool. Good. How do you tell it is risk on or risk off? That is how do you tell if how the market is moving. Whether dollar strengthening, weakening, whether it's the market or the news. The news is just a volatility event to drive the markets in the direction that you already had planned for where the price should go anyways. Okay? So, news, stop doing those news things. That's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to have a plan before the news. You're supposed to not trade the news. You're supposed to trade before the news or after the news, depending on how big the risk of the news is. And then you're just going to continue following your plan. News is your best friend because it's going to create volatility, or price will move in the direction that you have already pre-planned. And if it doesn't agree with you, then get out. Just normal trading, nothing else. So don't be worried, okay? Gold. I will do gold early today just for the fun of it. Gold fell, okay? What are we now? Double bottom. Okay, cool, great. Double bottom, triple bottom, quadruple bottom, whatever you call it. Is this going to go higher or is it going to go lower? I have said target for me mental is 1670, I think it is. So somewhere down here. Okay, that's number one. Second of all, if you want this to be bullish and you want to buy this thing, then you need to have technical analysis to agree with you. I said yesterday before FOMC, we need to break 1780 and we need to be a buyer above 1800. Didn't happen. Okay. Then this market is still considered to be bearish. Can you buy a bearish market? No, you cannot buy it. But yesterday FOMC cleared my SL as it just spiked in both directions. Yes. And that's another thing that you guys need to cater for is, especially central banking meetings, can clear you out in both ways. Okay? The other thing is, I want some people to know, I don't know if Joe is here or somebody who has some ability to tell me, what did BOE say today? I haven't seen that when I just say pound went higher. Can somebody tell me about BOE so I can tell you guys? Because that's really important, because we're going to pound Aussie soon. We need to know what BOE said. Hello, Gianna, by the way. I'm sorry to say that very late, but here we are. So, that was gold. Don't leave. Then, pound. We need to go to pound. So, pound, at that moment, it was a higher high. Okay, so, didn't go far. Still, where do we think it's going to go next? What are you thinking, Almighty Trading God? I think that this reversal here, I don't know why I'm doing that. This reversal here at around 136.80, give or take. And then if I add the pivot points just for the fun of it, we can get actual prices. So 137 or 138.75, I think it is. Yeah. Those are the two prices I'm going to watch at market open tomorrow. And I am probably going to enter some limit orders tonight when I'm done with this live, by the way. Nothing new from BOE, all is as expected. Okay, so nothing about forward guidance of when they're going to taper or when they're going to increase interest rates. Okay, I do. Euro is a bit weak fundamental news. Okay. Okay. I think euro is going to go higher because they're going to stop or reducing their asset purchases. But okay, cool. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for. And pound is that we are going higher. Where's resistance? Clear resistance at 37.80. Clear resistance at 138.50. I think it is. But anyways, so stalling out now. All good, all great. That is boom, fantastic. Then we just have to take it up tomorrow. Pound Aussie. Probably people will lean up because that's so boring. That's a strong Aussie. So what I really want to see here is, I don't know. I know people have bought this one. I don't like that. I definitely don't like that. Because higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, 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 high. Stop. Need to have a higher high before you can buy again. Higher high than 189. So if you have a buy option here already, be prepared to maybe take a profit and leave it out and see how it goes. The more likely and more to fall down to this price level again, around 185, 186.50, give or take, and then back up again. This price level. And this is what I do all the time. So cool. Great. Now, yen pairs. Pound yen? Anyone? How would you do pound yen? No? I wanted to buy this earlier today, and when I actually had some power on my phone, the little I had. And of course, I wanted to buy the resistance. Should I have done that? I feel like I should have done that. Because now we have double bottom. Oops. We have double bottom, bottom, higher high. Woohoo. Now we just need a higher low. So either 150.73 tomorrow or 150.35 tomorrow. Let's see which one it's going to take, if it ever pulls back. So I'm a bit disheartened at the moment, but you know, it is going to go great. YouTube didn't send me a notification. I don't know why. You guys should be bad. You guys should be sending them complaint emails to YouTube and say, hey, you didn't notify me. Do you have the bell notification on? But yeah. The thing is that has started to happen to me on Trader Nick, by the way, that I don't get a notification, and I thought I had a bell on him. Well, I'm just gonna check out just to make sure that I don't make a fun of myself. I know you don't have a notification or anything on him. But I hope people are getting notified. That's not nice. Did I get notified today? I got notified today that he posted a long pound-dollar trade. And then he was live. Yeah, I got that one. So, okay, interesting. Okay, I guess it goes. But yeah, so there we are. Then I want to see there you guys are. So, yes, I do have the bell. Yeah, no, I don't know. Yeah. I don't like that, but you know, it is. Yen pairs are just rallying, waiting for some retracement. Yes, that's what I'm preparing you guys for now, by the way, if you're wondering. If you're seeing that I need pullbacks to be buying. But I have a secret. I bought actually something today. I think I told you guys. Didn't I tell you guys in the Discord today? Let me double check that I told you guys. What? I said at 11 a.m., 11:24 a.m., I said JPY pairs has turned, looking for buyers at everyone. And then I said, did I say anything else than that? I said happy profits. Didn't I say buying pullbacks? That I bought a pullback, looking for buying pullbacks. Maybe that was a different chat. Okay. Never. Okay. Then I have done it in my dreams then. But yeah, I bought Euro Yen on this pullback here. So let's go through it. Okay, let's go through it. I bought it here. So bottom, high. Well, is that higher high-ish? Higher high, definitely higher high. Higher low, boom. Stop loss was at 128, so that is probably here somewhere. That was my stop loss, or is my stop loss. And then tomorrow, you're gonna trade with me today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna buy it around 129 or 129.80, depending on where price goes tomorrow. So risk on is definitely on. This is gonna be fun. So you're wondering, like, how is I been trading? Well, I did that. And if you're wondering how it is, I'm not gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you to you, because somebody like, can I see a P&L Evan? I'm like, okay, cool. So okay, cool. That is Euro Yen. No, you guys, you can't see that. Okay. Does it say Euro Yen? Euro Yen buys there. Fantastic. Two orders. And the other one I did after a higher high on the 15-minute time frame here. Well, it's a pullback. Maybe it's a pullback. Let's say it's a pullback. That's the only thing I got today. So I probably should have bought everything else. But here we are. So that's what I'm hoping for tomorrow. Stop loss should then be below 128.40 at least, minimally. But I will probably put it at 124.24. 128.24, sorry. There we are. Okay. So now everyone believes me that I actually do trade and I don't but I'm not fake. True. Okay, thank you. Good. I forgot to notify you guys, but there we are. Aussie. CAD, I made some... Yeah, there we are. I made some things yesterday here. So that is a fantastic entry there. And it was very high at around when I bought Euro. It hasn't gone that much after that. So I would like this one to fall more. But this one is absolutely boom. Those hit those likes, enjoying from the beach, from Cayman Islands, also watching profits. Wow. Chris. No, John, sorry. Yeah, I saw Chisholm. Sorry. So, yeah, I'm jealous. Okay, I'm jealous. The cat is out of the bag, I'm jealous. Even though I'm living in whatever 25 degrees and it's hot and sunny and all those things here too. This is a higher high, then we need to have a higher low, depending on where we want it to go. Well, this current support is actually at 86, very far away. So I would maybe hope for 86.5 tomorrow. At what time do you think we need to look for buys on CAD yen in an uptrend? Let's go through some previous uptrends on CAD. Where is the lows? That is a low. That is at 3 p.m. That's London. That's New York Open. 9 a.m. That is New York Open. That is London Open. London Open. New York Open. That's interesting that New York Open is the low. London Open. London is high. New York is low. Okay, maybe New York Open then. Maybe James, you're actually getting your low at New York Open tomorrow. That's pretty fun, by the way. So, okay. So, what would I do now? And you're going to see live trading by tomorrow, hopefully. If London Open comes up low, and I will be live then we'll probably have to have some trading together. So, that's kind of what I'm hoping for. 86.70 or 86.50. Cool. Yeah, and then there was some requests. We can do some requests. Gold we have done. Pound also we have done. Nasdaq 100. Oh, did CAD just go higher? Okay. Nasdaq 100. So how do we do this shenanigans here? Okay. So first of all, we need to be buyer at support. That I understood was supposed to be the low. Then you have here a buy. You have here a buy. I don't even need the pivot points. I just need... That's a low, that's a high, that's a higher high, that's a buy. Support, 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 support. That's all it takes. Yeah, cool. Is Nasdaq gonna go higher? Yeah, it seems like we have cleared whatever we wanted to do this year. So, yeah, great. By the way, there's 3 more new subscribers to my YouTube channel. Not subscribers, members yesterday. I just want to thank you guys for joining the membership. I don't feel like pushing it on you, but I just want to say thank you. I appreciate it. So yeah, fantastic, great, good. Okay, then next day is S&P. Oh, look at that. That was a buying opportunity. Well, how do we know that? Well, we know it was a buying opportunity, or is a buying opportunity, once we make a high and comes back to support. So 143.80. And then we go higher. It seems like the risk that was there is gone. Like, they were saying 10% and it only went 2%. And people are like, well, let's be taking profit, wait 5%, sorry. So, okay, cool, great, fantastic. So yeah, what else is there to do? I haven't called out these buys, by the way, so I'm not going to take any credit for it. I'm just going to say this is a clean sheet. This is a clean sheet. But you, as a trader, you need to know where is your support, where is your resistance. It's just normal trend trading. If you're going to buy it up again. If it falls down, well, yeah, stop losses. Crying out loud. So, yeah. And what do you do right now if you have no buys here? Okay, take the buy tomorrow then. There's nothing wrong with that. Waiting for a pullback, waiting for the stock market to come to your price, is like waiting for the ice cream truck that never came. Timing the stock market, it's like trying to time when a plant or flower is going. Well, there is this, I don't know. Well, let me Google it. Japanese Japanese rare, I think it's Japanese flower or tree or whatever it is. Blooming. Like it's like or maybe it's Chinese actually. Chinese then. Anyways, my point is I'm just trying to figure out where. Like I think take like 15 years. No, it's not that one. Anyways, doesn't matter. Who cares? So it blossoms once in 15 years. Try to hit that one, which says that, and it's just for 48 hours, and then it releases all its flowers within 48 hours, because it has trained itself to become. Like for predators or whatever who its enemy, it's just doing it like that because it's afraid to to release it sometimes, and then it's never gonna blossom, and then yeah, it just releases everything in one go. Hello, James. I've already done Cadian for you. If you want to go through that, buying at around 186.70 or 186.50. And target I have set to be 89. You can also say 88 if you feel like that is better for you. But it all depends, where do we end? How fast do we go higher? We are 23rd today. There's a week left of September until October. October, if we end high in September, then we are in for some wild ride lower. But yeah, there we are. This one, absolutely beautiful, by the way. Probably something like this, but yeah. So it's always green, but never flourish, and it's very difficult to find. Anyways, so yeah, so that's kind of that. Aussie yen, I was about to buy it at this level, 79 today too, and I don't know why I chickened out. Annoying, Ivan. Annoying. That's everything to say about that. Sometimes your brain is just not pulling yourself together. I will then add, if it comes down to 70. Okay, if it comes down to 80. I'll just take 80. 80 something. 80, 81, 80, 79, 90 something. I don't know why I don't like that, but we are making profits. So something. If it comes all the way down to 79, 78, I think that's gonna not crash. That's gonna take a lot of pairs down. But still, if it comes down there, that's a perfect buying opportunity, by the way. So, what kind of pullback we should see, bro? Cause I'm a bit confused with your words. 15 minutes or 1 hour? I have one rule, JJ. One rule. 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame. This is analysis. This is entry. But also, I'm not waiting for candles to close. I'm not waiting for Santa Claus to come home for Christmas. If I was there, I would buy here any time of the day. The same thing I did on Euro Yen today. I buy this one any time of the day. Doesn't matter where it's closed. I just need to see reversal, higher high, higher low, boom. I take it. Doesn't matter time frame. Doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Does matter the time frame. But on 1 hour, straight out of the book. So, yeah. We are in good shape today, I would say. So yeah, good. New Zealand dollar. Oh, I haven't seen this one today. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Higher high. Ooh, okay, that's a resistance. Okay. Yeah, well, okay. Maybe down to this level again, then higher. Hopefully, we shall see. There's two things that can happen right now. There's probably many things, but I'm going to take it down to a couple of things that's going to happen now. We are either on yen pairs going to be so incredibly bullish that we're not having any pullbacks. I'm sorry, that happens. Then we just have to wait for the pullback. Or you can go down to 15-minute time frame. I just mentioned that, yes. But that is not my main strategy. And if you are on 15 minutes time frame, that is me speaking to the day traders, those who can hold it for a day. Okay, 15-minute time frame, great, fantastic, happy for you now. The other thing that I'm then mentioning about that is you have to cater for both of them. We might not get an entry, we might get an entry. So I'm going to be there if we might get an entry. I'm going to be ready, willing, and able when we're getting an entry. And if we don't get an entry, FOMO's going to kick in. I know it. Every single time. Probably going to buy a higher high. But yeah, still. So right now, we are kicking into some high gear of me trading. Me looking into the markets. As we are into some high gear trading. So let me go down to 15 minutes time frame. Let me show you them. Okay? On the 15-minute time frame, I use as EMAs. I have 55, 21, 5, and 8. Okay? And then 200, I think this is 200, 55, 21, 8, and 5. Okay? So, on this time frame, as you can see, we are, if we ever touch the 21, that's kind of a buy opportunity here. But that will be very high. Okay? So what I'm saying here is, if we on a 15-minute time frame get some kind of pullback tomorrow morning to whatever the price is, and then once we start to rise again, this, you know, what do you call it, in moving averages is going to cross at some point, and that's going to create your buying opportunity. Okay? But also here there is plenty of buying opportunity, but do remember that 1 hour fall looks very dramatic on the 15-minute time frame. That's why I'm saying 1 hour to get you guys to relax, to get you guys to, you know, see the bigger picture, be content, wait. Okay, so let me give you some peace, okay? Peace. If I can get some can we get some charts here? Can we get some charts on in aisle number 532? Requesting for some okay, here we are. Cool. Okay. So this is a previous reversal. Low, low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Okay? So my point is here. Once we breach a higher high here, okay? Then you're going to look for support. You're going to look for pullbacks, okay? And then I don't really trade 15-minute time frame. I can do that, but then here we are. And then I probably lost that thing, so we need to... Okay, we can wait together. What's your favorite joke? I don't know what's happened to TradingView lately. Okay, and then I just need my moving averages. Now, okay. Moving averages, please. Come to the front desk, please. Okay, okay, cool. Fantastic, this is fun. How was your day? Everyone having a good day? Better than my day? So, okay, I can put the pivot points up then. Since you don't want to. Hello? Anyone? Okay. Nevel. Okay, no, okay. Cool. Then we're just gonna trade support and resistance then. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Okay. There is something there. Nice. It's a funny TradingView. I don't know what's happening. Like, can somebody send an email to TradingView and tell them to get their things together? Oh, so funny. Okay, here we are. Finally. All right, cool. At least we have some trading. At least we have some here. Okay. So if we then have a pullback here, there is your buy. Okay. There we are. Okay, cool. So above this level here, every time it comes down to the red dot, buy. Probably another buy, another buy, another buy. Another buy. Wait again, buy. As we continue. So how does that confluence with support and resistance? This is support. This never came to support. This is, well, that was wrong. This is kind of support. This is definitely support. This is definitely support. So it does support and resistance or moving averages depending on how you think about it. On the 15-minute time frame. Same thing on the 1 hour. It's just that you have more entries on the 15 and it can go a bit more wrong or it can be a bit more energetic down there. But hey. What you did without current. Yeah, so. Alright, so back to trading. Okay, so cool. So now it's going to be fun, right? On whatever we call it, USD CAD. Another pullback, sell. Another pullback, sell. That's going to wait for tomorrow. So it's going to be so much fun now. Now I'm not going to say you should sell or buy blindly or whatever. But now the real game is on. Right now, at this very specific moment, there's nothing to do. Because market is calm, it is at support or at resistance, depending, and you need to have a pullback. Okay, great, good. So, what else do we need to talk about? US 30. Have we done US 30? And then I want to say to you people that whatever happened yesterday, okay, with the FOMC, whatever you lost of money, whatever you endured, okay, that's your buying opportunity, and then you need to wait for price to come back down again and buy it again at probably around 34 or 60. That is my wild guess. Is the daily pivots, and here we are, 130. 34,600, 34,500. Straightforward. Nothing else. USD Swissy is currently range bound. Oil. Nobody talked about oil. Okay, we talk about oil. Hello, Joseph. Joseph? How are you, Joseph? Just joking. Oh, Joseph. My good friend, how are you? What is your expectations for oil prices? Ooh, expectations. My expectation is 100 American dollar. So we're gonna go higher. I don't know if we're gonna hit 100. That would be fun though. That would be a fun prediction. But yeah, higher high, higher low, continues to buy in bullish directions. Yeah. If it falls, it falls. Go back and do something else. Go back when it starts rising again. Now it starts rising again. Now we start buying again. So yeah, let's go oil for you. James says euro dollar. We will Okay. Navman Shaikh. Navman, are you in my mentorship? Yusuf says 100 is too much. I don't care. But I'm not basing that upon what I think is going to happen. I base that upon a couple of differences, okay? One, all major economies is trying to create inflation. What creates inflation? Well, another side effect of inflation is higher oil price, because we need more goods to produce that needs more oil. More goods needs to be transported around that needs more oil. Oil and inflation is linked together. Okay? So, America is trying to create inflation. They have a very high inflation at the moment. Europe doesn't have that much inflation, tries to. Emerging market is trying to create inflation. Asia is trying to create inflation. China is trying to create inflation. Everyone is trying to create inflation. What do you need to create inflation? Oil. So, is oil price going to go higher when everyone is trying to create higher consumer price? Yes. That is the macro reason. $100 is just a number out of thin air. But when will oil start falling again? Is the day price pressure is so high we cannot no longer hold it up by basically crashing, where we have too high prices, people can't stay in their houses, businesses doesn't make money because financing costs are too high, oil price is too high, everything is priced too high, therefore will fall. That is in a couple of years from now, not today, in a couple of years. First, Fed needs to increase interest rates, then they need to increase interest rates, and then when they have increased interest rates, it is too much interest rates, then this one might fall again. So we have some years ahead of us. Oh, 80? 80 is going to be this year, bro. 80 is this year. You need to get I'm sorry to say this very bluntly, but you need to get your head out of the sand, into the macroeconomics, into what creates what. Okay? And then OPEC is probably going to say something and make it fall again. But we have been at 120. $100 oil is nothing new. So what you need to do is you need to put what is your evidence, not your emotions, not your ego. What is the evidence? The evidence is everywhere we see price pressure is going higher, oil prices going higher, and fundamentally this is not going to change anytime soon for the next 2 to 3 years. No, Maki, I don't think so. If the market was positioned differently and we had too high prices, we were strangled by too high prices, food prices, oil prices, commodities prices, everything was too high the price, I would be of a different opinion. But we are not there yet. USD needs to make a higher high, come back to 17.45, and I will buy it, James. So yeah. Target, 1800 minimally. But it can fall from here, for that matter. That's why it needs to have a higher high first. Okay, cool, great, good. And Yusuf, I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings. But that is not my opinion. I'm only explaining you the dynamics of the markets. I have only come to realize that through knowledge. And one day, hopefully, you will do so too. Can you please explain the China issue? In very simple terms, the China issue is kind of over right now because they borrowed money to pay their debt. But Evergrande has 200 billion US dollars. Well, let's do it again. $200 billion in debt. That is, and they are massive. So they have been loaning money, tons of money. This is a debt. $200 billion US dollar. They couldn't pay their whatever you call it in English, their interest payment now this week. And people wanted their money. People wanted their... And what is a company? Company is property management company. So, they are very big. They can systemically create a crisis in China. Everyone is depending on China doing well. This one tipping over might be a Lehman Brothers that was back in 2008. And it's a bad thing. Okay? Evergrande. So that is creating a pressure on the banking sector because they have borrowed money to these people, giving up money to these people. So that's going to create pressure on the banking. Are the banks then going to pay, be able to keep their commitments? And if the banks can't keep their commitments, are people going to keep their commitments? No, 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 no. So that's just a chain reaction in the financial markets that can create a big crisis. So they were able to borrow money. They are now okay. And there are also some rumors about the I think it was CPP, as they call it. I don't know if the word is correctly, like China's People Party, I think it's called, or China's Communist Party, China People Party. Will then start helping out or saying, hey, we're gonna fix this situation. We're gonna fix this situation because it's, I don't know how many. Is it 20,000 small investors that invested money into these people? So it is massive. If it goes bad, it goes bad. Okay, good. Hello, Babu. Happy to have you here. Hope you're having a good day. I'm just having a rant about Evergrande. Dollar CAD. I think we have been there, James. I don't like it, but here we are. I know you. I know you know me. I don't like it, and probably a sell around 127 tomorrow morning. You can put your limit order in if you want to for tomorrow. Either 127 or to 127.20. That's up to you. Then, I'm sorry for not laughing too much today. But you know, maybe tomorrow. When I get my entries. But yeah. Other than that, I've gone through most of the trading pairs. Euro yen. Didn't I mention the buy price of Euro yen? 129. 127.80, give or take, something like that. Give or take something. Yeah, great. Monday is fun day. Monday is when this news came. Market fell. Do you see the same again? If they, well, now no, because they have been able to pay their obligations for this week. So I don't think their obligations are going to be next week as well. So probably next month if they're not able to do whatever they're supposed to do. Okay, cool. Yeah, so US oil went down to there and said 72.50, probably something. Our gold is probably going to fall further down to 16.70. Nat gas is trying to go around again, so maybe that's a buy again. Woohoo, maybe. Ivan, can you please explain why pound rose against the Aussie today, despite pound having negative news today? And Aussie positive news, because Australian dollar was stronger. Okay? Australia was strong. Whatever you call that. I don't know what you call that in English, but I call that 2 strokes underneath the answer. That's my answer. There's nothing else than that. People were buying Aussie. That's what they did. Okay? Well, one more pair, and I will be happy to actually go help out my wife to eat. Make some dinner, sorry. Eat. Yeah, I will help her eat. So, pound Swissy maybe at 26.40 tomorrow or 26.50 tomorrow. We shall see. And buy London Open. And then, USD ZAR. Maybe falling. Maybe. At least to go down to the buy I said we should go down to. So, maybe. I don't know if you did that, Harold. We can talk later in the Zoom meeting. Yeah, I think I've done most of the hard work right now. So here we are. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna buy. We're gonna be buy. We're gonna buy. What I just said, I said buy. Why? Because people are selling and I'm buying, and people I'm buying. They are buying. I am selling, and I'm saying buy. Let me just check daily FX sentiment report of retail traders. I'm gonna be fast. I'm sorry, I'm gonna be fast. Euro USD. Okay, 60% on buys. Okay, pound 65% on buys. People are starting to sell. Er det mulig å være så komplett idioter? Jeg forstår ikke at det er mulig å være så komplett idioter. But anyways, here we are. Price is rising, they are starting to sell, and they are starting to take profit. For those who understand Norwegian, you probably need to use Google Translate, and I didn't swear, but I said something close to that. Brother, please tell oil can go to 70 because I sell that position. If not, I can close or wait, bro. Thanks, give me your 2 mints. You might 2 cents, Maki TV2. If you're not in my mentorship program where I try to teach you how to trade, working with you every single day if you want to. I wouldn't have sold it. That's the thing. It sounds like 2008 all over again. That is if Evergrande goes over. China asks local officials to prepare for a possible storm if Evergrande falls. Wall Street Journal says. Absolutely. Robin. And if somebody wonders if what I just said in Norwegian, there's a Swedish guy in here, Robin. I probably knows what I said. But I'm also from the south, and people from the south in Norway, for those who knows, there's a sketch. It's hilarious because it's spot on. There's like between 2 guys, I can't say I'm mad at you, but I'm very disappointed that you cheated on my wife. Let me say it again. I can't say I'm not saying I'm angry at you, but I am very disappointed that you cheated on my wife. The thing is, we are very, very shy of conflict. We will run away from conflict. We won't say our true feelings. We're just bland. We're just there. We're just opposites of Americans or New Yorkers, whatever you guys call it. We are like, we are cool. We don't say much. We don't speak too much. We don't have much emotions. We just, we won't never tell that we are angry at you or disappointed or pissed or anything. Just, I might tell you, but it was very bad. It was very bad done of you to sleeping with my wife. Anyways, good night, JJ. And I probably should say good night to everyone else. Norwegians can't stand mad, only very disappointed. Yeah, only disappointed, only a bit skuffa, yeah, only skuffa, only a bit disappointed, not angry. I won't tell you that I'm angry. And they won't speak directly from what they actually believe in. So yeah, that's at least a stereotype, at least. But of course, there's southern people that it's going to explode in your face and it's going to tell you whatever they feel, whenever they feel it. But that's just people. I don't know. I guess who can that be? Can that be Kenyans? Kenyans are very shy of conflict as well. So or maybe some African countries as well. Nigerians probably not. But yeah. So $80 buying at support tomorrow. Hopefully we shall see. So summary is stock market. Well, by the way, whatever I'm being saying today is only for educational purposes, not financial advice. So I'm gonna say I would look for buy on stock market, Aussie dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, pound yen, New Zealand dollar, all the other yen pairs I will look to buy tomorrow morning at London Open or New York Open, depending. I will try to be live at New York Open before New York Open, so that will be around, if it was today, it should have been 6 hours and 30 minutes. So whatever that is in your time frame, that is up to you. So around London Open, New York Open, give or take. Okay, have a good day. Love your family. Mwah. And I see you tomorrow. Please hit the like button.